History of Molo, Iloilo City by Midshipman Villanueva, Kurt Lewis. Molo was a separated town before it was merged into Iloilo City in July 16, 1937. Molo is one of 7 districts of Iloilo City. It was built by Spaniards and was formerly called the Parian or Chinatown, due to its large number of Chinese residents and their businesses establishment in the area at that time. Its name was later changed into Moro during the frequent arrival of Muslim pirates from Mindanao, until it later evolved into Molo. Molo was a town before it was absorbed by Iloilo City during its character. Molo is the home to the historic Molo Church, St. Anne Parish, which lies in front of the town square. The Philippine national hero Jose Rizal visited the famous church on his way to Manila from exile in Dapitan. He exclaimed as he saw the church, La Iglesia Bonita, acknowledging its beauty. Juan Araneta, or General Juan Ancleto Araneta, also known as Don Juan, was born on July 13, 1852 in Molo, Iloilo. But the Aranetas moved in and settled permanently at Negros. Don Juan was one of the leaders of Negros Revolution, the event that took place on November 5, 1898, also known as Cinco de Noviembre. Don Juan married 4 times and had a total of 25 children. He died on October 3, 1924, at the age of 72, at Bago City, Negros Occidental. You'll find a life-size monument of General Juan Araneta on horseback, and within the foundation lies his remain. Aniceto Lacson. Aniceto Ledesma Lacson was born on April 17, 1857 in Molo, Iloilo. He was known as a revolutionary general and businessman. Aniceto was one of the leaders of Negros Revolutionary alongside with Araneta. The Negros Island Spanish governor surrendered on November 6, 1898 at Bacolod to them. He was also noted as the president of the short-lived the Cantonal Republic of Negros from November 27, 1898 until March 4, 1899. Aniceto married twice. He died on February 3, 1931 in Talisay, Negros Occidental at the age of 73 behind a large family with a total of 21 children. Molo is the 3rd smallest district in Iloilo City, within an area of 5.54 square kilometers. It is 3.21 kilometers away from Iloilo City proper. Molo shares border with Arevalo to the west, Mandurrial to the north, La Paz to the northeast, and city proper to the east. The district is located at the mouth of the Batiano River, which then empties into Iloilo Strait in southeast part of the district. The district of Molo is one of the major commercial area in Iloilo City. It is home of various government agencies, including regional offices of the Department of Social Welfare and Development or DSWD and the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR. These agencies play crucial roles in providing social services and ensuring tax compliance in the region. With a population of 76,393 people according to the 2020 census, Molo is the 2nd most populous district in Iloilo City following Haro. Molo Church, the church constructed in 1831, is of Gothic and Renaissance architecture. It is known as the feminist church within the 16 female saints lining in the central columns. National Historical Institute marker, Molo Plaza Complex, Barangay San Pedro Molo, Iloilo City. Molo was known as the Athens of the Philippines, has produced many intellectual and political leaders, one Chief Justice, Ramon Avancenia, 8 senators, 7 governors, 8 revolutionaries general, and 10 legislators, and many cabinet members. A dome structure in the plaza features Greek goddess, reputedly known as the first public elementary school in the Philippines. It was founded in 1905 in Baluarte Molo, Iloilo City by Risondo Mejica, an Ilonggo honored by Iloilo Press Club as the Dean of Visayan Journalists, and of Iloilo Council as the Dean of Municipal Councilors of Iloilo. The school produced eminent people. Among its graduates are formerly congressmen, senators, and mayors of Iloilo City. The Spanish colonized the Philippines from 1521 to 1898, and the Chinese set up trade posts in Filipino coastal towns as early as the Song Dynasty 960 to 1127 AD. Pancit Molo resembles Chinese wonton soup, but with an additional ingredients, the flavor meld to the Filipino, Chinese, Spanish cuisines. The name Pancit Molo refers to the famous Filipino town, Molo. Wonton were first included at the seaport village, adding a Chinese element to the soup. Spanish fried rice garlic was included as the garnish of the Filipino fish sauce, added roundness and umami. The tradition components are Chinese wonton soup, a mixture of ground minced pork wrapped in wonton wrapper, shredded chicken, meat, and prawns. Pancit or pancit is the Filipino's word for noodles. Although there are no traditional in this soup, it earns the name from the wonton wrapper. Molo Mansion. The Yusay Consing Mansion, originally known as the Lacson Yusay Mansion, and now popularly known as the Molo Mansion. It is a heritage house located in the district of Molo, Iloilo City, Philippines. It is located in front of Molo Plaza and Molo Church. Built in 1926, it has a neoclassical and subtle Art Deco feature. The property, including the mansion, is now owned by SM Group, which now houses several souvenir shops that sells local products and delicacies named Kultura, Sabor Ilonggo, and Plantopia, as well as several coffee shops. That's all. Thanks for watching.